Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here with another day and another video for y'all, man. We just want to thank you guys first of all for the support that you guys are giving us up to here. We're at 12,000 subscribers thanks to you guys, man. It's been an amazing journey, and I know we still have a lot more to go, man. But I want to introduce you to somebody this morning. His name is Mr. Greer. We got this young man here, Mr. Greer. He's no stranger to the camera.
Hey,
we call him AKA Peter. You know what AKA Peter means?
No idea, man.
Let's go see if anybody else knows. Adolfo, you know what Peter means? No? Yo, Josh, do you know what the word Peter means? Josh, if I abbreviate your name in Peter, what does it mean?
I feel like you're calling me a dick sucker or something.
No. what if I call you Peter, what does it mean?
Pain in the ass.
Damn, Greer.
And that's how you feel about
Damn, Greer, they got you going. But now, Greer has it actually blacked out, smoked out. I can't even get in there if I wanted to, man. But he has his one car. I'm going to tell you right now, he's going to have more bass than he has anything. He's going with two Nemesis full-blown H series. Right there, brand new out the box. Dual of 1-ohm coils. He's got batteries. He's got everything you could possibly think about to blow his car apart. So we're gonna see how this one comes out in a few minutes. They're gonna upgrade the door speakers to the MGs, also Pro Audios. We share the guy in a few minutes. I'll keep you guys posted. Crew, so to give you an update, I just finished attending to all my customers. We are packed, and we're grateful that we are so packed. This bad boy with the H is already in there. They're about to clean it up and get it going. He's over here trying to put his stuff together. This one should be knocking out pretty hard when we get it all done. We got my son who worked on this one here. The customer brought his own lights. We did the install. I do me a favor, turn on the parking lights. Oh, that copyright. Hold on, let me get rid of that copyright for y'all. Turn on the parking lights. Look at that. So now he has his little lights right here. He has a little eyebrow there. He's got an LED right there. He's all good to go. That guy should have done deal for him. Done by yours truly, the AudioFax V2. Then we got this young man. We did an install for him a while back, man. Look how warranties work. This has been a long time. He had a failure with that light in the bottom failing him. He had a wire problem. Josh, what did we do to fix his car?
Rewire.
And how much are we charging him? Absolutely zero. He's covered in the warranty, y'all. He also had a failure with the Flow Series bar on the side here. He is also covered right now coming out the door. This is another guy who came in. I'm just showing y'all the work. He has a headlight problem. We're about to deal with that. We got a full system build on that one there. We got Tatiana coming in a minute and a couple other cars, man. So we're blessed to be busy. Thanks to you guys always for that support. This crew, so at the day, man, it's been very, very busy in the front of the shop. I've been very busy with customers, which is great. But at the same time, it's stressful. We got Josh out today. He asked for the afternoon off to go to an event he asked me for a couple weeks ago. So we, of course, granted to him. We work as a team. But I'm gonna give you an update. We got the Nissan radios removed here. They actually got everything done. Wiring's already situated. Had to pick up a special part for that, which is on its way. We had this guy come in with this car. He had a door lock problem. The problem was a data link module. We got that fixed for him. Then we got this one, which is the one I want to show y'all. Well, this guy had it built about 7 years ago. He has a blow-through. A blow-through pretty much where you have a hole coming inside your truck where everything blows through. This young man right here has this box built 7 years ago and he wants to upgrade it. He has some kicker CVRs, not even CVRs, just regular comps. We're about to take this bad boy apart and get it situated with some new Nemesis Audio Type E's. Which is a very big thing for that guy. It could be a great upgrade, honestly. Then we got this one here, the Cadillac, came in for 4 speakers and a radio install. So, long story short, man, we're really working really hard here, man, and we're doing what we have to do, but we're always gonna thank you guys for the support. Yeah, I'm be honest with you, I'm gonna suggest them make him a new box. I don't know what they did to this boy here, but he has some old kicker comps. As you can tell, I don't know what the point of this is all that they did here. I don't want to laugh too hard, but yeah, this ain't right, y'all. So I'm gonna get this fixed up. The guys are taking it apart to put my new Nemesis in there and hear a real bang happen when we get that done, man. So just showing you what we deal with in the shop. I'm gonna give you guys a difference so y'all can see exactly what we're talking about. So this here were the kickers that we removed for this bad boy, right? This is the kicker subwoofers that in this box that is deteriorating. Now let me show you the difference between that kicker. I'm gonna put them side by side for you guys so you guys can see this versus the Nemesis Audio. Give me 1 second, let me get them side by side. All right, guys, because this is what's going on here. You can tell here, look at the two woofers that I got side by side. So I'm gonna point you to a couple things. First of all, look at the difference in the size and the magnets between these two bad boys. That's one thing. Look at also the difference on the terminals. So look at the side of this hole here. Let me show y'all. Look at the side of this little hole right there. Actually, on the side here. Let me show y'all this. Y'all, let me get that track in. Look at the side of this one here. You can tell the difference. Look at the tensile size here. Look at the tensile size here. Then look at the cones. This is a little basic comp. It's not even a big kicker. It's a kicker comp. This is a basic Nemesis audio. So they're both basic woofers to each other. Price about the same. So long story short, I can guarantee you 100% that I know that this is gonna really bang. His box, not in good conditions. But give him a recommendation. Yes, I am gonna give it to him, but we're gonna get it done and get him going today, man, so he can have some bang in that vehicle. And give us some suggestions so I can get him back and help him out with that build, because it's really not that good. Let me show you guys something else we're doing. So you guys can wonder what kind of build we do. We do them all from big to smalls. But show y'all something here. We got a brand new 2019. I think actually a 2017, I think, or 18. But I'm gonna show y'all what we did here. One, my nephew over here working. He's in the process of wiring it. But this is a Nakamichi underneath the seat subwoofer. So this is gonna be able to allow this customer to not have to lose his subwoofer, I mean his seats, or lose any space with the big box like these here, but still be able to get a little bit of bass in the vehicle, which is what he's going for. So we're in the process of doing that right now. We speak, wiring that up and get this customer situated and going. Then we got Adolfo working on a car that he wishes he didn't have to do. Why?
It's fragile. Look at this.
Everything in this, look at this door panel, guys. Look at this. The stuff we have to deal with. Now I want you to see something. You see the whole door panel's cracked up, broken, glued up, broken everywhere. Like you can literally look. I just touched it and it just breaks in brittle pieces. Cracked all the way across the bottom. And we have to deal with these builds, guys. And this is the thing. I got a sign in front that we're not responsible sometimes for this, because we have nothing that we could do to fix this. It's a really, really fragile case. I mean, this car is cracked. Look at this, guys. Cracked up everywhere across the whole thing, everywhere. Cracked up and broken. I mean, what do you want me to do at this point in time, guys? Well, you guys look at this. Look, I just touched this. Look at this. Piece of plastic just flew out. I mean, it's not really much I can do at this point in time. We could only do our best, but you know, my guys on there working it very delicately to make sure it doesn't come back in pieces, man. So we're doing what we have to do. I'll be back. Over here, Adolfo, putting back Humpty Dumpty again. As you can see, the speakers are inside. Wiring is done. He's trying to get Humpty Dumpty together again, and he's just breaking his butt, right? You know why? Because we didn't build it. Give me a minute, guys, while I give him a hand to get this together. Hey, let me cut off the copyright. So y'all know what's going on, man. We're at the finale of the day, man. We got this beautiful screen in there. Beautiful Nakamichi radio double-din screen with the CarPlay and all the features in the bad boy. He's missing a part, so this is the kind of stuff I want to tell you that does happen. So we got this deal done on this truck. We have the steering wheel control module in the car, but it controls by another harness, and it is not available nowhere. It's on back order. COVID has messed things up. One of my main distributors is closed today. None of the other shops, no Car Toys, no any of the shops had this piece available. So I just let the customer know, put it as a WEO, and I'll come back and get it done for him. But as far as everything else, it's done, y'all. So we're about to get out of here. Long day to the Adolfo. I am beat down. I am really, really worn down. But we have to do to supply our families and our needs, man. I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank you guys for the support. Y'all be good. God bless.